Hello, JLS Automation.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright. I wanted to know if we can go on the XMReality and troubleshoot a few things. I have a few problems with the theta rotation.
Sure, I'll just get your contact information. That way I can send you a link for the call.
Okay, perfect. My phone number is 717-472.
Okay. Alright, I have your information. I'll send you the link and then you can go ahead and activate the link and that'll start the call.
Alright, perfect.
Hello, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can.
So what was the issue we were having?
Yeah, so I see on the top right here, it has a message saying Robot 1 theta rotation axis is out of range. I've been trying to start and stop the system to try and get it to reset, but it doesn't seem to work.
Okay, what we're gonna have to do is log in with your maintenance password.
Okay.
And we're gonna manually rotate the robot back.
Alright. Alright, all logged in now.
Okay, we're gonna wanna go to this operations tab at the bottom of the screen. We're gonna switch to manual mode. And then we're gonna wanna start in manual mode. Now that we're in execute, what we wanna do is look at this value down here, J4.
It's around negative 1100.
Okay, so that means we're gonna have to rotate it positive back to 0 in order for it to recover.
Alright.
Just hold that down. Once this value gets closer to 0, we should be able to send it back to auto mode.
Alright. Alright, we're around positive 24.
Alright, that should be fine. So now we're going to want to stop the machine in manual mode.
Okay.
We can go back to auto and then start.
Okay.
The robot should recover from there and we should be good.
Alright, perfect. Yeah, the robot just went into auto execute.
Alright, perfect. Should be good to go.
Alright, perfect. Thank you for your help.
Alright, no problem. Have a good day.
Alright, thanks. You too. Alright, bye-bye.